Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing destination Thailand visas. For those who are unaware, I've discussed these at length. Folks can have their opinion on my opinions of this, but at this point, yeah, it's online. I get it. It's going to be here. No, it is not the wine and roses. Everything's just going to be easy that they told you 6 months ago it was going to be, because quite frankly, all the people that were talking about it in that way were not the people who would be dealing with it boots on the ground here. They were the Ministry of Foreign Affairs who were off somewhere else, not here dealing with it, or they were YouTubers who don't know what they're talking about to begin with. That being said, there's nothing wrong with the Destination Thailand visa per se. I do have my issues with it, especially as it pertains to things like work authorization and long stay status without some sort of scrutiny. But as we've discussed in other videos, it's looking like there is going to be quite a bit of scrutiny associated with the DTV, both in a border run capacity, which for those who are in DTV or looking to get a DTV and would like some information regarding border run services, we are providing those services. Please feel free to contact us there. Also, with regard to extension, though, of DTV, as we've discussed, there is quite a high threshold associated with getting extended in DTV status. There's denials associated with that. And again, the standard of proof and things are not real clear as to what you need in order to get the DTV renewed. As I've discussed in other videos, I think as a practical matter, border runs are going to end up being the way to deal with the DTV in a long-term sort of straightforward manner, at least until we see some sort of protocol within immigration that's sort of streamlined regarding extension of DTV status in country. Point I'm trying to make is it looks like border runs are going to be an integral part of DTV visas moving forward. That said, also another integral part is banking, and it looks like banking is going to be an issue. Quoting directly from a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com, article is titled, "Foreign Applicants for Thai Bank Accounts Facing New Crackdown." Quoting directly, "Foreigners wishing to open a Thai account face additional hurdles from Monday, February 17th, even those who require a savings or current account to apply for a Destination Thailand visa with 500,000 baht or for a non-immigrant O retirement permit with 800,000 baht are likely to find difficulties." The Thai government, via the Bank of Thailand, has officially launched a renewed attack on mule accounts in Thailand, aiming to curb financial fraud and money laundering. Quoting further, government officials are reluctant to give a timescale for the latest crackdown on foreigners trying to open bank accounts in Thailand. I think that is telling, where government officials are not willing to give some kind of definitive timescale as to how long this is going to work. That tells me that this is policy, that banking is going to be more difficult moving forward, especially for those who are looking for retirement visas, but for purposes of this video, DTV visas especially acutely. What does that mean? Well, one, it looks like things in Pattaya are especially difficult. We deal with things up here in Bangkok primarily, although we do have facilities in Pattaya where we deal with things from time to time. We do interact with immigration down there quite frequently. It's looking more and more like a lot more of our caseload is likely to process through Bangkok moving forward. But that being said, for those who are looking at the DTV generally and you're outside of the country, finding all of this overwhelming, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.